Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Friends, in this video, I will explain the important top 100 questions of February. It is part 1 video. After this part 2 video I will upload, which is also contain 100 questions. Friends, this video is very useful for quick revision of mains examination. We start. Which city will host the Artificial Intelligence Summit RISE 2020 in April? Answer is New Delhi. In April, New Delhi hosts Artificial Intelligence Summit, that is RISE 2020 in April. The full form of RISE is Responsible Artificial Intelligence for Social Empowerment. Full form of RISE important. Once again, Responsible Artificial Intelligence for Social Empowerment. Next, who has been appointed as MD and CEO of IndusInd Bank? Answer is Sumant Katpalia. Sumant Katpalia has been recently appointed as MD and CEO of IndusInd Bank Limited. The headquarters of IndusInd Bank is Mumbai. Next, which Indian state has been chosen as theme state? Once again, which Indian state has been chosen as theme state in 34th edition of Surjakand International Craft Mela 2020? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is the theme state of 34th edition of Surjakand International Craft Mela 2020, which is held in Haryana. Next, 5-time Grand Slam winner Maria Sharapova. 5-time Grand Slam winner Mary Sharapova has announced her retirement from tennis. From which country she belongs to? Answer is Russia. Maria Sharapova, she is a tennis and 5-time Grand Slam winner. Recently, she announced retirement from tennis and she belongs to Russia country. Next, World NGO Day. World NGO Day is observed on 27th February. Every year on 27th February, we celebrated as World NGO Day. Next, which metro has become country's second largest operational metro with operational distance of 69.3 kilometers? Answer is Hyderabad Metro. Hyderabad Metro line is the country's second largest operational metro. Top first one is New Delhi Metro. New Delhi Metro is top and first, and Hyderabad Metro line is second longest length. Next, which state become the first state in the country to have 100% LPG gas coverage? 100% LPG gas coverage. Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh become the first state in the country which has 100% LPG gas coverage. Next, the first Disha police station. Once again, the first Disha police station was inaugurated recently in which Indian state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, first Disha police station was inaugurated in India. Next, in which state Losar festival is celebrated? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh, every year Losar festival has been celebrated. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Simla. The present Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur and Governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Next, which state government has launched the Reading Mission based on central government's Reading Mission 2022? Once again, Reading Mission 2022 to encourage habit of reading books. It is the initiative of Haryana state government. Haryana state government launched Reading Mission to encourage the children habit of reading books. Next, which organization has sanctioned an amount of 400.64 crore rupees to Jammu and Kashmir for the current financial year to give boost to the infrastructure in rural areas? Answer is NABARD. Recently, NABARD has sanctioned 400.64 crore rupees to the Jammu and Kashmir for infrastructure development in rural areas. NABARD abbreviation important, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The headquarter of NABARD is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Establishment year also important, 12th July 1982 is the establishment year of NABARD. Next, the second BIMSTEC disaster management exercise. Once again, the second BIMSTEC disaster management exercise with the theme of a cultural heritage site that suffers severe damage in the earthquake and flooding or storm held at which Indian state? Answer is Odisha. The second BIMSTEC disaster management exercise held in Odisha state. The theme is important, a cultural heritage site that suffers severe damage in the earthquake and flooding or storm. Next, name the city which will host the Commonwealth Archery and Shooting Championship in 2022. Answer is Chandigarh. Chandigarh will host the Commonwealth Archery and Shooting Championship in 2022. Next, Government of India has decided to rename the National Institute of Financial Management Faridabad. Once again, National Institute of Financial Management, which is in Faridabad, Haryana. The National Institute of Financial Management will be named after which Indian former finance minister? Answer is Arun Jaitley. Now, National Institute of Financial Management will be renamed as Arun Jaitley Institute of Financial Management. So, Arun Jaitley is the former finance minister in the BJP government. Next, former Indian cricketer Rahul Dravid recently inaugurated Salem Cricket Foundation in Salem is the district of which Indian state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Recently, Indian cricketer Rahul Dravid has inaugurated Salem Cricket Foundation in the district of Tamil Nadu. Next, who has been crowned as the winner of LIVA Miss Diva Universe 2020? Answer is Adelina Castellino. Adelina Castellino as the winner of LIVA Miss Diva Universe 2020. Next, the cabinet gives principal approval for the infusion of capital how much amount to 3 public sector general insurance companies. Those are Oriental Insurance Company Limited and National Insurance Company Limited and United India Insurance Company Limited. Answer is 2,500 crore. Recently, the cabinet has given approval for the infusion of 2,500 crore rupees in 3 public sector general insurance companies. Next, which Indian football club became the first Indian club to qualify for group stage of Asian Football Club Champions League? Once again, which Indian football club become the first Indian club to qualify for group stage of Asian Football Club? Answer is FC Goa. FC Goa become the first Indian football club to qualify for group stage of Asian Football Club Champions League. Answer is FC Goa. FC Goa important. Next, which state police has implemented Operation Nakail? Which state police has implemented Operation Nakail, allotting unique number for auto rickshaw driver to curb crimes? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh State Police has implemented Operation Nakail. It is a allotting of unique number for auto rickshaw drivers. The main purpose of allotting unique number is to curb or to control crimes in the state. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. The present Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Next, who released the book titled Death, an Inside Story? Once again, Death, an Inside Story, a book for all those who sell, authored by Jaggi Vasudev. Recently, this book is released by M. Venkaiah Naidu, Muppavarapu Venkaiah Naidu. He is the Vice President of India. Next, which Indian Navy ship joined with Sri Lanka to carry out joint hydrographic survey of southwest coast of Sri Lanka? Answer is INS Jamuna. INS Jamuna is the Indian naval ship joined with Sri Lanka to carry out joint hydrographic survey of southwest coast of Sri Lanka. Next, Central Excise Day. Central Excise Day is celebrated every year on which date? Answer is 24th February. Every year on 24th February we celebrated Central Excise Day. Next, which is India's first railway station to add 5-star hotel on the track, built by famous hotel chain Leela Group, which will completed by December 2020? Answer is Gandhinagar Railway Station. Gandhinagar Railway Station is the first railway station in India to add 5-star hotel on track, which is built by Leela Group, which is completed by December 2020. Next, where was first ever Bharat Bangla Tourism Festival held? Where was Bharat Bangla Tourism Festival held? Answer is Tripura. Recently, Bharat Bangla Tourism Festival will be held in Tripura. Next, which Indian state government has launched toll-free helpline number for students to solve queries ahead of board exams 2020? Board exams 2020. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh state government has launched a toll-free number for students to solve the queries ahead of board exams 2020. Next, who has been appointed as new chairman of Global Board of Directors of US India Business Council? Once again, who has been appointed as chairman of Global Board of Directors of US India Business Council? Answer is Vijay Advani. Vijay Advani has been appointed as new chairman of Global Board of Directors of US India Business Council. Next, which railway zone of India has become first to have 13 energy neutral stations, which is highest among other zones? Answer is South Central Zone. South Central Zone become the first zone in India which is having 13 energy neutral stations. It is highest among all other zones. Next, who flagged off the Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC apiary on wheels for beekeepers in New Delhi? Answer is Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari is flagged off the KVIC apiary on wheels for beekeepers. Nitin Gadkari is the present road and highways and MSME minister. Next, which country will be the first country to host the new format of AIBA Team World Cup in 2020? AIBA World Cup in 2020. Answer is Russia. Russia will be the first country will host the International Boxing Association World Cup in 2020. Next, the government of India to host the 3-day National Organic Food Festival. 3-day National Organic Food Festival with the theme Unleashing India's Organic Market Potential. It is held in which state? Answer is New Delhi. Government of India will host National Organic Food Festival in New Delhi. Next, World Thinking Day. World Thinking Day is celebrated every year on which date? Answer is 22nd February. Every year on 22nd February we observed or we celebrated as World Thinking Day. Next, Nandu R. Kulakarni. Nandu R. Kulakarni passed away. He is a answer is journalist. Recently, journalist Nandu R. Kulakarni has passed away. Next, what was the rank of India in Sustainability Index? Answer is India rank is 77th. India rank is 77th in Sustainable Index. This index is topped by Burundi and bottom Qatar. Next, which public sector bank signed an MOU with Gujarat state government to facilitate micro, small and medium enterprises loan, MSME loan recently? Answer is State Bank of India. Recently, SBI has made MOU with Gujarat state government to facilitate MSME loans. The headquarter of SBI is Mumbai. Next, what was the rank of India in Child Flourishing Index? Child Flourishing Index. This index is topped by Norway and Central African Republic is bottom. In this index, India rank is 77th. In this, India rank is 77th. Next, who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Dhanlaxmi Bank by Reserve Bank of India? Answer is Sunil Gurubakshani. Sunil Gurubakshani has been appointed as MD and CEO of Dhanalakshmi Bank. Next, who has been nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2020? Answer is Greta Thunberg. Environmental activist Greta Thunberg has been nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2020. Next, who has been named as the chairman of Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust? Answer is Nritya Gopal Das. N. Gopal Das has been named as the chairman of Rama Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust. Next, with which bank Government of India signed a loan agreement of $450 million to support Atal Bhujal Yojana National Groundwater Management Improve in 7 Indian states? Answer is World Bank. Recently, Government of India signed an agreement with World Bank worth of $450 million to support Atal Bhujal Yojana National Groundwater Management for 7 Indian states. Next, who has been awarded Sportsperson of the Year in Female category award at ESPN Multi Sport Annual Award 2019? Answer is PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu has been awarded as ESPN Sportsperson of the Year in Female category. Next, the Smart Gram Yojana scheme of which Indian state is named after Rao Saheb Ramrao Patel, the late former deputy minister of which state? Answer is Maharashtra. Recently, the Smart Gram Yojana scheme of Maharashtra state named Rao Saheb Ramrao Patel. He is the former deputy chief minister of Maharashtra. Next, International Mother Language Day. International Mother Language Day is observed on. It is observed every year on 21st February. The theme of the International Mother Language Day is Languages Without Border. Languages Without Border is the theme of International Mother Language Day. Next, in which state Ganga Kayak Festival has been organized? Answer is Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, Ganga Kayak Festival has been organized. Next, with which country India has signed MOU with commencement of a bus service between Mandalay and Impal? Mandalay and Impal. Answer is Myanmar. Recently, Indian government has made an MOU with Myanmar for bus service between Mandalay and Impal. Next, which language is the third most spoken language in the world after English and Mandarin? Answer is Hindi. Hindi is the third most spoken language in the world after English and Mandarin. It speaks 615 million speakers. Next, who has been selected as the new Central Vigilance Commissioner by a high-powered committee headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Answer is Sanjay Kothari. Sanjay Kothari has been selected as the new Chief Vigilance Commissioner. It is appointed by the committee which is headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, new Chief Vigilance Commissioner is Sanjay Kothari. Answer is Sanjay Kothari. Next, who has been selected as the new Chief Information Commissioner in the Chief Information Commission? Answer is Bimal Julka. Bimal Julka has been selected as the new Chief Information Commissioner in the Chief Information Commission. Next, which country will host FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup 2020? Answer is India. India will host FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup 2020. The official slogan of FIFA Under 17 Women World Cup 2020 is Kick Off the Dream. Kick Off the Dream is the official slogan of Under 17 Women's World Cup 2020. Slogan is very important. Kick Off the Dream. Next, who has released the reference annual books Bharat 2020 and India 2020? Answer is Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar has released the reference annual books named Bharat 2020 and India 2020. He is the present Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting. Next, veteran actor Kishori Ballal. Veteran actor Kishori Ballal passed away. He belongs to which state? Answer is Karnataka. Kishori Ballal is a veteran Kannada actor. He belongs to Karnataka. Next, who Dash has been declared as the official new name of novel coronavirus by World Health Organization? Answer is COVID-19. COVID-19 has been decided as the official name of novel coronavirus, which is recognized by World Health Organization. COVID-19 full form is Coronavirus Disease 2019. Abbreviation may be important. Please be remember. Next, National Water Conference Day. National Water Conference was held in which city? Answer is Bhopal. National Water Conference was held in Bhopal, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Next, which state government launched first helicopter service under Udan scheme? First helicopter service under Udan scheme is Uttarakhand. Recently, Uttarakhand state government has launched first helicopter service under Udan scheme. Next, PM Narendra Modi will inaugurate COP13 through video conferencing. Where will be the COP13 summit will be held? Answer is Gandhinagar. COP13 summit will be held in Gandhinagar, which is inaugurated by our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi through video conferencing. Next, who won the ICC Under 19 Cricket World Cup title at JB, which is held in South Africa? Answer is Bangladesh. Answer is Bangladesh. Once again, ICC Under 19 Cricket World Cup title, which is won by Bangladesh and held in South Africa. Next, who developed world's first bulletproof helmet against AK-47 bullet? Answer is Anup Mishra. Anup Mishra has developed world's first bulletproof helmet against AK-47 bullet. Next, by which year government is targeting to fulfill Jal Jeevan Mission? Jal Jeevan Mission. Answer is 2024. By the year 2024, the government targets to fulfill Jal Jeevan Mission to provide safe piped drinking water supply to all households in the country by 2024. Next, the budget has proposed to increase the insurance cover on bank deposits under DICGC from 1 lakh to how much? Answer is 5 lakh. The full form of DICGC is very important. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. It provides insurance to the customer deposits. Recently, this limit has been increased from 1 lakh to 5 lakh rupees. DICGC, it is the subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. Next, which Indian city recently received UNESCO World Heritage City Certificate? Answer is Jaipur. Recently, Jaipur city has received UNESCO World Heritage City Certificate. The present Director General of UNESCO is Edure Ajlo, and Jaipur is also called as Pink City. Next, which Indian cricketer has appointed as brand ambassador of JSW Steel? Answer is Rishabh Pant. Indian cricketer Rishabh Pant has been appointed as brand ambassador of JSW Steel. Next, which country ended free travel for India passport holders? Free travel for India passport holders. Answer is Bhutan. Recently, Bhutan announced that it will levy a daily fee of 1200 per person from July 2020. Next, which state government launched Jana Sevaka scheme? Once again, Jana Sevaka scheme for home delivery of government services. Answer is Karnataka. Recently, Karnataka state government has launched Jana Sevaka scheme for home delivery of government services. Next, who released the book A Child of Destiny, an autobiography by Professor Ramakrishna Rao? Answer is Venkaiah Naidu. Venkaiah Naidu has released the book A Child of Destiny. It is an autobiography of Professor Ramakrishna Rao. Next, which women's cricket team has won ICC Women's Champion Trophy? Answer is Australia. ICC Women's Champions Trophy, which is won by Australia, defeats India. Next, World Pulses Day is observed on which date? Answer is 10th February. Every year, 10th February observed as World Pulses Day. Next, Padma Shri Award Giriraj Kishore passed away. He was a. Answer is novelist. Recently, novelist Giriraj Kishore, he is the winner of Padma Shri Award, also has passed away. Next, who won the 2020 Oscar Awards for Best Actor at the 92nd Academy Awards? Answer is Joaquin Phoenix. Joaquin Phoenix is the winner of Best Actor at the 92nd Oscar Awards category, and for movie of Joker, and Best Actress is Renee Zellweger for Judy, and Best Picture is Parasite. Next, Baramura Hill, which was recently renamed as Hatay Kotor. Hatay Kotor is located in which Indian state? Answer is Tripura. Baramura Hill, it is located in Tripura state. Recently, this hill name renamed as Hatay Kotor. Next, the 5th edition of Joint Military Exercise Ajaya Warrior 2020 will be conducted between India and which country? Answer is United Kingdom. Ajaya Warrior, it is a military exercise between India and United Kingdom. Next, who has won National Snooker Championship? Answer is E. Option E. Both A and B. Aditya Mehta and Vidya Pillai. These two are the winners of National Snooker Championship. Next, International Day of Women and Girls in Science. International Day of Women and Girls in Science every year observed on. Answer is 11th February. Every year 11th February is observed as International Day of Women and Girls in Science. The theme of the current year is theme of the year 2020 is investment in women and girls in science for inclusive green growth. Next, who has won the men's FIH Rising Star of the Year award? Answer is Vivek Sagar Prasad. Vivek Sagar Prasad won the Rising Star of the Year, and in the women's category, Lalrin Siami, and FIH Federation of International Hockey Player of the Year award is Manpreet Singh. Next, World Unani Day. World Unani Day observed every year on. It is observed every year on 11th February. Next, which state cabinet approved Groundwater Act 2020? Groundwater Act 2020 is approved by Uttar Pradesh State Cabinet. Next, according to a recent survey, which of the following companies is the most profitable PSU for the year 2019? Answer is ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, is the most profitable public sector unit for the year 2019. Next, which bank has bagged 2 awards at IBA Banking Technology 2020 award? IBA Banking Technology 2020 award. Answer is South Indian Bank. South Indian Bank has bagged 2 awards at IBA Banking Technology 2020. Next, which state has been allocated 2 AIIMS and 9 medical colleges recently? Recently, Jammu and Kashmir has allocated 2 AIIMS and 9 medical colleges. Next, market regulator SEBI constituted a municipal bonds development committee which is headed by. Answer is Sujit Prasad. Sujit Prasad is the head of Municipal Bonds Development Committee. It is constituted by markets regulator SEBI. SEBI stands for Security Exchange Board of India. The headquarter of SEBI is Mumbai. Next, the Foreign Service Institute. The Foreign Service Institute has been renamed as, it is renamed as Sushma Swaraj Institute of Foreign Service. Friends, these renames are very important. Recently, National Institute of Financial Management has been renamed by the name of former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, and the Foreign Service Institute renamed as Sushma Swaraj Institute of Foreign Service. Sushma Swaraj is the former minister of BJP government. Next, where will the 11th edition of Defense Expo will be held? Answer is Lucknow. The 11th edition of Defense Expo held in Lucknow. Next, which state or union territory has received award category in best performance having population of more than 1 crore since inception of the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana scheme? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government has got award of best performance in Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, and it is more than 1 crore population, and less than 1 crore category Dadra Nagar and Haveli is in the first position. Next, who won the men's single title in 2020 Australia Open? Answer is Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic is the winner of men's single title 2020 Australia Open. Novak Djokovic belongs to Serbia tennis player. Next, who won the women's single title in the 2020 Australia Open? Answer is Sophia Kenin. Sophia Kenin belongs to USA, has won the women's single title in Australia Open 2020. Next, according to Defense Budget 2021, how much amount has been allocated overall for the year 2021? Answer is 3,37,553 crore rupees has been allocated for the year of 2020 and 2021 according to Defense Budget. Next, who has been appointed as the chairman of Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs? Answer is M. Ajit Kumar. M. Ajit Kumar has been appointed as the chairman of Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Next, who approves 140 crore at low interest to Punjab State Agriculture Development? Answer is NABARD. NABARD has approved 140 crore rupees at a low interest to Punjab State Agriculture Development Bank. The full form of NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Next, according to budget, India is the world's which largest economy in the world in terms of GDP? Answer is fifth. India is the fifth largest economy in the world in terms of GDP. Top USA with $21.4 trillion. Next, which country will host Men's Hockey Junior World Cup in 2021? Answer is India. India will host the Men's Hockey Junior World Cup in the year 2021. Next, which country will host Women's Hockey Junior World Cup in 2021? Answer is South Africa. South Africa will host Women's Hockey Junior World Cup in the year 2021. Next, Maharashtra CM or Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has approved the renaming of Latur Medical College as it is renamed as Vilasrao Deshmukh Institute of Medical Sciences. Latur Medical College of Maharashtra has been renamed as Vilasrao Deshmukh Institute of Medical Sciences. It is approved by the Maharashtra current Chief Minister or present Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Next, which city will host the 26th conference of the parties, also known as COP26? It is organized by Glasgow. Glasgow will host the 26th Conference of Parties or COP26. Next, International Fund of Agriculture Department 43rd Governing Council meeting was held in Rome, Italy. 43rd Governing Council meeting of International Fund for Agriculture Development was held in Rome, Italy. Next, what will be the motto for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics and Paralympics? Answer is United by Emotion. United by Emotion is the motto of Tokyo 2020 Olympics and Paralympics. Next, which agency suspended weightlifter Ramshad AR and wrestler Ravinder Kumar for 2 and 4 years respectively? Answer is National Anti-Doping Agency. National Anti-Doping Agency suspends weightlifter Ramshad AR for 2 years and wrestler Ravinder Kaur for 4 years. Next, which state hosted India's biggest rural technical festival title Antapragnya 2020? Antapragnya 2020 at Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies. Answer is Telangana. Telangana state government hosted India's biggest rural technical festival named Antapragnya at Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, Basara. Next, who has been named the Central Banker of the Year Asia Pacific by 2020 by the Banker magazine, a unit of Financial Times? Answer is Shaktikant Das. Shaktikant Das has been named as the Central Banker of the Year by Asia Pacific 2020, and Global Central Banker of the Year has been given to Jorgovanka Tabakovi. Jorgovanka Tabakovi, he is the head of the National Bank of Serbia. Next, who has been appointed as CEO of MasterCard? Answer is Michael Miabach. Michael Miabach has been appointed as Chief Executive Officer of MasterCard. Next, which of the following organization released a working paper titled Nowcasting India GDP Growth Using a Dynamic Factor Model? Answer is Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India has released a working paper which titles Nowcasting Indian GDP Growth Using a Dynamic Factor Model. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is Mumbai. Next, which organization announced that it has raised 850 crore from a new issue of offshore Indian rupee linked 10-year bonds? Answer is Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank has announced that it has raised 850 crore from a new issue of offshore Indian rupee, which is a 10-year bond. The headquarters of ADB is Manila. Next, which state hosted ClimFishCon 2020, a global meet on climate change, ocean and health? Answer is Kerala. Kerala will hosted the ClimFishCon 2020. It is a global meet on climate change, ocean health. Answer is Kerala. Friends, these are the top most 100 important current affairs in the month of February. It is part 1, and part 2, which contains 100 questions, has uploaded by next video. Friends, the important current affairs related to March, April and May 1st and 2nd week videos has already uploaded. Those who are not watching that videos, please watch and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.